it.
Yeah.
So how will the country actually survive?
Yeah. At the moment, or NDC, someone who Amara are saying North Papa no Olusu and an answer or ruling against him. Someone who commentary at NDC for air running on social media. The leaders in parliament, NDC leadership in parliament, need to understand that people are still very angry with them.
Oh, for them, I think in the end, they are disappointing and disappointment to so many Ghanaians, especially the neutral ones.
Yes, those who
the
neutral ones who voted for John Mahama. The neutral people who voted in 2020 are very disappointed in NDC.
We have people who voted for
NDC leadership.
And they are all disappointed because, they too, they have fashions in MPP. And they thought that this opposition can actually live up to expectation. Excuse me, I beg your pardon.
Yeah.
Expectation. But they have failed. They have failed everybody. I don't know how they are going to manage to turn this from.
NDC in parliament was failing and people are still very, very angry. What disappointing. We don't trust you guys. The majority of you, NDC in parliament, we don't trust you. You have a lot to live up to. You have a lot to live up to.
Anyway, thank you for inviting me to your
platform. And nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you. Yakasa, you
First time. First time about Ghana event to be saying, maybe that.
Demonstration here.
Yeah.
Today, at least, we are all here.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So, wait, there's an airline binner. And and yes, also for the event, the £500 ticket, Kayako, Kaya Tuan or Oxford. Some was a money. Muslim needs to buy. Mr. Mubedi President Amayare. President Mahama by Yadabatuano. President Mahama or by Obedi President, they fix the country at the Batuano. And Simona Yamo said fix the country is about NDC. This is not about NDC. That is why NDC UK are not here. If you are a member of NDC UK like myself and you are here as a Ghanaian citizen, not as NDC UK. I also share MPP for demons, principalities.
It's a shame, really. Oh, so who should you cross the wall? Sir, a country I will kind.
Me see your brese. Oh my Ghana, someone's some Musubai. Make a politicians, no. Said the American, baby, or matter die woman.
That is the point.
Oh, baby, me met me and Nante, na match them more politicians, a binum fear, a woman.
How come, sir? Even last I wrote a certain article that the opposition is also as weak and as unreliable. I'm very happy to go with it.
Yeah.
So how will the country actually survive?
Yeah. At the moment, or NDC, someone who Amara are saying North Papa no Olusu and an answer.
I need to move a fact in mind. Just say Papa will take bold decisions. Africa, mine, South Africa, Nigeria, Egypt, Tunisia, just a vaccine no Dimrika, no Dinkako order, 20 million for the citizens. Vaccines are Elba, Kwasia Captain Smart, better than what catch them Angel FM say, Okowa, Obedani agree, I want to saw no, on Pesa Ghana, Bay, on Pesa Ghana, because Fontino, Obetu Fuboni. Nena, me poni pa baako. Me pe Captain Smart na ebu na nkasa. No me kan kire ye say, we hu nipa baako okowo sa de na, owo wie ye wadane ado ya na aboa. Bibi ana mo die joke. Akufo-Addo talk about Ghana and okofa vaccines by. The party NDC is only made just to make propaganda, win power, steal, create, destroy everything they came to meet. Now, I know you say There are evidences of what they've done. And yet, Ghanaians seems to forget. Me pato, and the wine they are there sumu for 4 years. Close to 5 years. Because on to mean to the bill. Or my electricity bill, no, or the third dine at the Europe Yoto. Or my electricity bill, no, yeah, this is hotels for Dubai. Or my no, electricity bill, no, yeah, the third dine man, Mao East Legon, yeah, the big man's bill, no, they told be Korea men be, yeah, no. What changed? And then I'm coming clear, I'm coming real, and I will prove to everybody, say, me be jina ha in January. I me catching am say, I seen MP no, Jason Quayson no say one ya free Toronto akọ ye no. My new research. Na kwan bi am so asa papa we, ya be jina konya free nsem, ya be jina konya free nsem because Sadamu Sakandi in blessed memory. So no etimi nya asa punishment no koda mu dia. And they are not Jomoro MP no Fantana Mame, she's not immune. And they are not Jason Quayson, Canadian lecturer. He is not an exception. And I'm a catcher, I will say, information be a from the pay stop, from the pay road, be a OG. I want that I say, and young Pebiano, me make you sure, say, Papa, where you best in from the name that I will be. Papa, you're to way, Canada, name, Papa, no, Canada. This man, Canada, ni MP. Only, mucha than we ye. Now, for me, they better so much. As someone me became, just keep the message like this for me. Keep no here, mention the BBA, my missus. Keep we are, me person for Papa, we number the castle. Because the time has come for truth to be spoken to power. I told me those I can't say Oja NDC, and I'll show you why people like that to be angry. Sure. NDC for current executives, they are not there for Ghana. They are there to chop. Because Eban is saying, and per the constitution, per our electoral rules, you lay foundation down of how our parliamentarians are supposed to be elected and selected. Our guidelines, new rules down. Now, order seni, say one dear, or when you such a will be a empty or begging Canada seeker. Now, what's the MP or Ghana because NDC there are there your baller goods to be almost pay. Yes, NDC there are there yet in Tanle be NDC for pay. The here is a Woska. They knew the executives of NDC. Our Central Region. Nobody in PFA said this man does not qualify to be an MP at the time when he was representing himself as an MP. But enam sika omo bejinti. Enam sika omo nim se Canadian boga de bebenti. NDC for bu omani guso. NDC forgot about the constitution, the laws, our electoral processes. They forgot about everything. Took money from this man and decided to kick out. And this is the part that bleeds. And come here, this near come befu. What were your NDC food soldier? What some party? And you Susanka also person can try to obey MP. What she said with near me and no cranty what on your courses near the idea. A baby what you Nanka what to make represent to constituency. Because when I want to constituency, and do the only the course. Now NDC for executives say what central region almost 30. I shall NDC niba what Ghana. Ya call demonstration I will be. Ya call one I will be. Ya call meeting I will be. Ya call congress I will be. Ya tuya news I will be. Obi mami wa your contribution. Our constituency. Now ya show when him say. Esan se wuni sikenti. What's it? Esan se wuni sikenti. Ye den. Senase. Esan se wuni ye. To meet your delegate, no, sa delegate did the full of one or more, or fun and nama. Almost a sad to be my MP before,